Students, in this module, we are going to talk about respiration in living organism. Let's take it in this way. If I am running, what I am doing? I am breathing fast. When I use this word breathing, what comes to your mind? When you say breathing, it's logically taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. This is called as breathing. But when I have to define breathing, it is not actually I am taking in oxygen. What I am taking in? I am taking in oxygen-rich air. And what I am giving out is carbon dioxide-rich air. Let me put one more word for you. Respiration. What is respiration? And in this module, we are going to focus on respiration. Breathing is just a physical exchange of gases between your lungs and the atmosphere. But respiration is actually using those gases to produce energy in the form of ATP. In the previous module, we discussed about cells. We also discussed that the cells are able to take food, convert it into energy. But now, only food is not sufficient. To break that food into energy, you require a gas. And that gas, what I am breathing in, is oxygen. So, this is what we are going to study in this chapter in detail. So, let's talk about why do we respire. All the cells in our body, they are doing some kind of function. Like they are doing nutrition, intake of food, respiration, exchange of gases, transportation, movement of the molecules in the cell, and for example, excretion, that is expulsion of the waste out of the cell. For doing all these activities, students, you need energy. And how you can get that energy? We all eat food, no doubt. The food has stored energy, but that stored energy will only be released when the bonds are broken, and that bond will be broken during respiration. So let's understand how the things work. When I eat something, the food molecule is there around the cell, and the blood is going to carry that food material to each and every part of the cell. To be very much specific, here I am talking about glucose, because whatever you eat, ultimately it has to be broken down into simpler form. If you eat carbohydrate that is found in potatoes, your body will convert it into glucose, because the gas that you have taken in is having potential to break only glucose. So whenever we breathe, we inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon dioxide. Now this oxygen which has entered in my lungs, it goes in the alveoli. Through the alveoli, it combines with the blood, forming oxyhemoglobin. And then the oxyhemoglobin supplies that oxygen to the cell, and cell takes in oxygen, gives out carbon dioxide, and that oxygen which has entered in your cell is going in mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. And in mitochondria, oxygen will break that glucose, that is called as oxidation of glucose, giving you energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And this process is called as respiration.